Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I must start my lecture with a prayer for you. May Allah keep you all safe and healthy. Today I will take start from the same exercise and question number 3. In question number 3 it is given that A is the set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. In the set B elements are 2, 4, 8 and 10. Part number 1 is there, list all the elements of A intersection B in set notation. This is the same question like the previous one. Just in that question we have taken the union of the two sets and now we have to take the intersection. Okay students, first tell me what is the union? Yes, good. Union means to combine all the elements. And what is the intersection? To take the common elements only. Clear? Okay, now we will start the part number 1 of this question. We have to find A intersection B. The same steps will be there. A intersection B is equals to, first of all we will write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7, and next the sign of intersection and the set B, which is 2, 4, 8 and 10. Okay, now we have to find the common elements. We will just write the common elements in the intersection. What are they? You can see that 2 is common, 4 is common. Next, in this set 1 is there, 1 is not present in both the sets. 3 and 7 not present in both the sets. Same 8 and 10, they are not present in both the sets. So only the common elements are 2 and 4. So in this set we will be having elements 2 and 4. This is your answer in the set notation, because we have to write the elements of A intersection B in set notation. These are the elements of A intersection B and they are written in set notation. Okay students, now part number 2 is there. In part number 2 we have to draw the Venn diagram to represent this set of A intersection B. The set is there, we have taken A intersection B, just we have to now draw the diagram of this set. First of all, I have told you, you have to check which type of case is this. So for checking the case, first of all we will check, is there any common element? If there is no common element, it will be the case of the disjoint set. Otherwise, if few elements are common, means at least one element should be common. So if more than one element or one element is common, so it will be an overlapping case if no set is the subset of the other one. So you can see that A is not the subset of B and B is not the subset of A, and few elements 2 and 4 are common. So this is also the case of overlapping. Now again we have to write the elements in the sets. First of all, I am going to take this circle as A or this circle as B. You can take it as A and B, but just be careful about the elements. Okay, first of all I will write the common elements. In the common area, what are they? They are 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 will be there. Next, I have to write the elements of A. Okay, elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. Whereas 2 and 4 are already written, so I will not repeat these elements. I will write the rest of the elements 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7. Next set is the set B. From the set B, 2 and 4 are already written. So 8 and 10 will be there. 8 and 10. Okay. Now it's not the completed diagram. We have to do the shading, because we have to represent the Venn diagram of A intersection B. So we have to represent A intersection B through our shading. So the shading is must when you are having the elements. Okay, in A intersection B, what is the common area? Obviously common area will be shaded. So what is the common area? Obviously this overlapping area is the common, and you can see that in this overlapping area we are having the elements 2 and 4, and in the tabular form we are also having 2 and 4. It's mean our question is correct. So we have to do the shading of this overlapping area. You can do the shading. Okay, now we have to write A intersection B is equals to shaded area. Okay class, now we are moving forward with the question number 4. In this question, the universal set is given and the two sets A and B are also given. We have to list all the elements of the following sets in part number 1 and part number 2. In part number 1, we have to do A intersection B. Okay, before starting the question, we must recall what is a universal set. Universal set is the set which is containing all the subsets under discussion. Means if all the sets are the subset of one set, then that set will be called as the universal set. Suppose this is the set B, you can see that this is the subset of this set and this set A is also the subset of this set. That's why we can say that this set is the universal set. Okay, in part number 1, we have to find A intersection B. Just following the previous steps, we will write A intersection B is equals to, first of all, the set A, 2, 4, 6 and 8, intersection symbol, then set B, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, what we have to do in intersection? Yes, we have to find the common elements. The common elements are 4 and 6. So this is your answer in the intersection set. Okay, now in A union B, again we have to find the A union B with the same steps. We will write the same elements 2, 4, 6 and 8, union symbol, and set B 3, 4 and 6. Now union means to combine all the elements by not repeating any element. You can see 4 is coming in both the sets, but I will not repeat this element. You have to write just for one time. Okay, I will now write all the elements of the both sets 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. This is the A union B set. Now the part number 3 is there. In part number 3, the A complement is there. What is complement? Complement means to take the difference from the universal set. Means whenever we will find the difference from the universal set, then it will be called the complement of that set. Suppose the A complement is there. So A complement is equals to, when we will take its difference from the universal set, means the universal set minus A, whatever the name of the set is there. And how we will take the difference? First of all, again we will write the same values this is universal set. First we will write universal set, then difference, then set A. So A complement will be equals to first universal set. For the universal set, we will write the elements of the universal set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 11. Difference set A. What are the elements of set A? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now what is the meaning of the difference? Difference means we will write the elements of this set, whatever the first set is there. We will write the elements of this set which are not present in this. First of all, 2 is there. 2 is present in this set, so we will not write 2. Next element is 3. 3 is not present in this set. 3 will be there. Next 4. 4 is present. We will not write it. Next 5. 5 will be written. Next 6. 6 is present in both the sets. We will not write. 8 is also present. And the last one is 11. This is the A complement. Again I am telling you, whenever you have to take the complement, you will take the difference of that set from the universal set. And how you will take the difference? You will write the elements of the universal set which are not present on the other set. Then it will be the complement. Now the part number 4, we have to find the B complement. So what will be B complement? B complement will be universal set minus B. Now B complement is equals to, first of all we will write universal set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 11. Difference set B. In set B what are the elements? 3, 4 and 6. Now we will write the elements of the universal set which are not present in this. So firstly 2 is not present in this, we have to write it. Then 3 and 4 both are present, we will not write. Then 5. Now the 6 is present. The last elements are 8 and 11. This is a B complement. Students, remember one point, you have to write this complete A complement is equals to universal set minus this set in one line, right? I am doing this question on the board and I have to tell you the part number 5 and 6, and I don't want to raise the A complement and B complement because we have to take their intersection in the next part. That's why I am doing in the congested area. You have to write it in one line. Same like B complement, when you will take B complement, you will write universal set difference B in one line. Clear? You will not write, do these parts in your copy like this, right? You have to follow the school pattern. First part number 3, then part 4, then 5 and 6. You will not do in front of each other. Okay, now the next part is there. We have to find the complement intersection of these complements. So we have to find intersection of these complements. So what is A complement now? It is 3, 5 and 11 intersection. I have to write it here. 2, 5, 8 and 11. 2, 5, 8 and 11. Is that clear? Means now we have to take the intersection of these complements. So in intersection, what is intersection? Intersection means to write the common elements. So what are the common elements? You can see that 5 and 11 are common in these two sets. So this will be your answer. Next part number 6 is there. In part number 6 we have to take the union of both sets. Now A complement union B complement means this is A complement, this is B complement. We will find their union, means we will write all the elements of these two sets. It is 3, 5, 11 union symbol, then B 2, 5, 8 and 11. Clear? Now we will write all the elements of the both sets. This is 2, 3, 5, 8 and 11. That's all. Okay students, now you have to do practice of different questions. You can make questions by your own self and then you can solve it. It can be easy for you to solve any unseen question of such type. Clear? Diary is also given to you, so prepare your test for these questions and be ready for the next lecture as well. Thank you so much.